But the biggest thing and the most important thing is that you're mindful of what your muscles need. Do they need strengthening? Do they need relaxation? Some of you need to not work them as hard, and some of you need to work harder, do a lot more chest. Everybody is different. Today we're going to do an exercise, and we're going to do it in minor. As opposed to So what happens when you do minor is you take the third from the major scale and you flatten the third. It's a cry. It's not, oh, it's sad. Here we go. All right. Here we go in tempo. Big breath. Very easy going. You can do this exercise in the beginning. Yeah. Keep it light because this is a nice warm-up. Make sure you're doing minor. Warming up, remember. Keep the mouth open, don't let the lower lip go in. I didn't play everything on purpose. I just wanted to see if you're still there. And off. You want to make it nice and relaxing. You can do these type exercises anywhere, anytime. They're not going to hurt you. They're going to help you. They're going to keep the muscles nice and supple, especially when you've worked them hard. Anytime you have a nice, strong exercise, you've got to supplement it with one of these that you do lightly. And you can utilize a lot of the ones that might be really demanding. You can do them light also. But the biggest thing and the most important thing is that you're mindful of what your muscles need. Do they need strengthening? Do they need relaxation? Some of you need to not work them as hard, and some of you need to work harder, do a lot more chest. Everybody is different. That's what makes the world go round, doesn't it? Thumbprint. Nobody is you. Nobody can give this world that wonderful, wonderful gift that you know you can give. And Marie Forleo, one of my mentors, that's what she says after every video that she does. That beautiful gift that only you can give. Isn't that great? And it just came to mind. And that is wonderful. That's exactly what you have to keep telling yourself when you go out there to give your talent. 'Cause it's Such a day, such a mighty fine day. Yeah. Woo! Subscribe, ring the bell. Oh my gosh. See ya later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Bye.